How to add Grab voucher code. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a Grab voucher code. First, open your Grab application on your mobile device. Next, browse through the available restaurants and select the one where you want to order your food. Once you've chosen the restaurant, select the food item you wish to order. After selecting the food item, tap on Add to Basket to include it in your order. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and look for the option that says Use Offer. Tap on it. In this section, you will see a field where you can enter your promo or gift code. After entering the code, make sure to confirm or apply it if prompted. Once your voucher code is successfully applied, you will see the discount reflected in your total amount. Now, you can proceed to checkout and complete your order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.